Welcome to the Islamic Quiz Room. 25 quiz question: Moon and stars.
10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go.
How are the moon and stars primarily described in the Quran?
A sign of Allah's power.
Which surah is named the Star? Surah An-Najm. What is a main purpose of the moon mentioned in the Quran? For timekeeping, calculating months and years. What major sign of the Day of Judgment involves the moon? The moon will split. The splitting of the moon is mentioned as what? A miracle for the Quraysh. Which star cluster is mentioned in the Quran? The Pleiades, Al-Thuraya. Which star is mentioned by name in the Quran? Sirius, Ash-Shura. What does the Quran say about stars? They are missiles against devils. What did the jinn mistake for a missile? A shooting star. Which phase of the moon marks the beginning of an Islamic month? The new crescent, Hilal. How is the start of Ramadan determined? Sighting the moon. What will be dimmed on the Day of Judgment? The moon. What will happen to the stars on the Day of Judgment? They will fall. Who built the famous observatory in Samarkand? Ulugh Beg. What was al-Sufi's famous book called? The Book of Fixed Stars. Which astronomer calculated the solar year with great accuracy? Al-Biruni. What was the most important astronomical instrument developed by Muslim scientists? Astrolabe. What was a primary use of the astrolabe for Muslims? To find the Qibla. Where was the first major Islamic observatory established? Moraga. Who developed the Tusi couple, a model later used by Copernicus? Nasir al-Din al-Tusi. What did astronomers like al-Tusi and Ibn al-Shatter challenge? The Ptolemaic model. They proposed alternatives. What did Ibn al-Haytham prove about the moon? The moon's light is reflected. What did Al-Biruni describe as a collection of countless fragments of the nature of nebulous stars? The Milky Way. During which event do Muslims perform a special prayer, Salat al-Kusuf? Solar eclipse. What is the Islamic ruling on astrology, predicting the future with stars? It is forbidden, haram. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.